Hi everyone. This video is very similar to another one I did, which talks about has versus have. Sorry, took a second. But it's a different way to do the same type of idea, right? We want a lot of repetition, but sometimes students and adults and kids also get bored doing the same thing the same way over and over and over again. So this is another way to do this, but this time I'll be focusing on the verb is versus the verb are, also using some science vocabulary, talking a little bit about plural versus singular, and using descriptive words. Okay, so this time I'm going to ask the kids to go ahead, and everything I do, even if it's not the objective, I want to be talking the whole time. So I'm going to ask them to draw a circle. Is circle my focus? No, but I'm always talking while I'm doing this, and I'm putting in every little language opportunity that I can in each one of these mini lessons, right? So I'm going to have the kid or kids draw a circle. Okay, please draw a circle. Very good, a circle. And inside that circle, I'm going to have you draw a tree. So here's my tree, and here's the tree trunk. And you have 30 seconds. I always tell my kids, this is not an art class, this is an English class. So some of these pictures should be done pretty quickly, right? And then I'm gonna put the word one or the number one, or preferably both, at the top, right? So one tree, so this is one tree. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make some lines coming out of the circle. And I'm gonna ask, a tree is what? A tree is, and I'm going to see if some of them can give me some words. If they can in their home language, that's fine too. Maybe I'll have my phone so I could be Googling what they're saying. Or if they have another kid who speaks that language and could be a translator, that's great. So a tree is, and so here I put big, I put alive, because maybe depending on your grade level, you might be doing a unit on living versus non-living things. When I taught second grade, I remember that. A tree is green, a tree is beautiful, right? So I'm putting these words in. Okay, and preferably it could come from them, but if they're not at that level, that's fine too, right? So here I'm gonna go ahead and take these ideas and I'm gonna put them in a proper sentence structure. A tree is big. A tree is green. A tree is beautiful. If you have kids who are a little more advanced, a little older, you could definitely do more of these lines and the kids can copy that. As always, you're going to read it with the kids at least 3 times and then have them read it on their own to a student, just by themselves in a corner for homework, whatever. Okay, here at the bottom, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to have you guys draw a rectangle. Nothing special about the rectangle. We're just trying to get all kinds of language in there, right? A rectangle. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and we have 4 corners, right? And we're going to draw 3 trees or 4 trees or 5 trees. And so you're going to talk through it. And then I'm going to tell them more than one. More than one. And you could do a mini lesson on that as well. Okay, and then we're going to use the same words that you used on top, right? So here, trees are big. So not, if it's one tree, a tree is big. If it's 2 or 3 or 4 or a million trees, trees are big. Trees are green. Trees are beautiful. And you're going to repeat that 3 times and have them do it on their own. They could go ahead and do this on their own during independent work time. You always want them to write for practice, right? Practice, practice, practice. And thank you. That's the end.